Boomers say, "Back in our day, we built this country from scratch." And Gen Z replies, "Cool, but why does your Wi-Fi still need restarting?" So the real question is, who is actually more competent to rule a nation, boomers or Gen Z? Boomers have experience, no doubt. They've seen wars, economic crashes, political chaos, and somehow survived without Google Maps. They know how systems work because they literally created many of them. They believe in discipline, hierarchy, and long-term stability. When boomers rule, things move slowly, but they move with caution. Laws are written on paper, not tweets. Decisions are made after meetings, not viral trends. But here's the problem. Today's world is moving faster than ever, and boomers sometimes try to solve 21st century problems with 20th century thinking. Climate change isn't waiting for another committee meeting, and young people aren't listening to speeches that sound like history textbooks. Now enter Gen Z. Digital natives, raised on global news, international competition, and instant communication. Gen Z athletes are breaking records in international sports, competing confidently on global stages, adapting fast, learning faster. They understand the world is interconnected economy, climate, technology, culture, everything affects everything. Gen Z leaders wouldn't need translators for technology. They'd be building policy on data, AI, and real-time feedback. They value inclusivity, mental health, and transparency. They don't believe power should sit with a few forever. But Gen Z has weaknesses too. Experience can't be downloaded. Running a nation isn't the same as running a startup or a social media campaign. Impulsive decisions, cancel culture, and emotional reactions can be dangerous when you're dealing with nuclear codes, international diplomacy, or economic stability. So, who should rule? The truth is, neither alone. Boomers bring wisdom, patience, and lessons from history. Genzee brings innovation, speed, and a global mindset. The most competent nation wouldn't be ruled by one generation fighting the other, would be led by boomers who listen and Genzee who learn. Because the future doesn't belong to experience alone, and progress doesn't survive without wisdom. The real power move. Let generations rule together.